the model of the 2017 Ford GT Le Mans by Revell. Just a box right there. I already built one, but I decided to do a better one with no decals on it. That's a decal sheet, but I'm going to leave it clean because I want it to match my race car trailer, which I just built. That's going to get entered pretty soon on YouTube. Goes together well. Decided, there you go. I just used regular can spray paint. Used primer, red primer, and just off the counter Rust-Oleum. And there you have the Ford GT. I'll be posting the truck later on when I get the lights on it and make it look better. Thank you.